Feeling like a hunchback after hours at your laptop? I did, until I found the Nulaxy Laptop Stand. My laptop was always overheating during marathon coding sessions. Now, thanks to its open back design and thermal pad, it stays cool. Elevating my screen 7 inches with the ergonomic riser made my workspace so organized, no more neck or back pain. It fits all my devices, from my MacBook to my Asus, effortlessly handling laptops 10 to 16 inches. All this comfort for just $32.46. Treat yourself now. Your posture deserves it. Feeling buried under textbooks and battling a hot laptop? That was me. Total chaos. Found the Nulaxy Laptop Stand. Now my laptop breathes better with its open back. No more overheating panic. Plus, that 7 lift, my neck and back are finally getting the break they deserve. Make your study space smart. Snag the Nulaxy today and feel the difference.